Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable your power folding mirrors in the newly refreshed 2023 Kia Telluride. I have in front of me here an X-Line all-wheel drive in glacial white pearl with terracotta brown interior. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, this is equipped with the power folding mirrors, and if I were to walk up to the vehicle with the smart fob on me, they're going to go and unfold to kind of welcome me to the car. Now, if we happen to be in the winter time and we know for a fact that there is an ice storm coming or a snowstorm, just a lot of snow is going to happen, we may not want these power folding mirrors to unfold because there might be a lot of weight or some ice built up around it. So what we're going to do is head inside, and I'm going to show you where we can disable that temporarily until we're ready to turn it back on again. Okay, now that we're inside, we are going to head to the 12.3-inch infotainment screen. So from the home screen, we're going to swipe to the left, and you can either hit setup in the bottom right corner, or you can even hit setup down here underneath the screen to the right. So once I enter setup, we're going to go into vehicle. And then on the left, I'm going to scroll up and I'm going to go into lights, and you're going to see here in the middle the welcome mirror / light. So I'm going to touch that, and you'll see here that right now it's set to enable on door unlock and enable on driver approach, is what I did when I walked up to the car. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and disable that. So once that's unchecked, now the mirrors won't fold when I lock or unlock the door, and they won't fold or unfold if I walk up to the car or lock it to walk away. And once you're ready to enable it again, the weather's nicer, you're not worried about a storm coming, and it's going to be a while till the next one, you just go ahead and make sure that those are checkmarked back on again, and then they'll start to fold and unfold as they need to. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.